Hello, it's Toby from Mstyle, and today we've got here a Supercharged E92 M3 which is pushing 570 brake horsepower, so let's take a look. So let's start off with the most obvious thing on this car, which is this big thing right here. So this is a GPower 580 Supercharger Kit. This car actually made 570 because, as you know, these cars are down on the standard power that BMW do say they make. So this one actually made 390 standard before we charged it, and then it made 570 afterwards. This kit itself comes with obviously the intercooler, the charger itself, and then this nice orange looking thing on top of the engine here. This car as well has had the additional centrifugal clutch added in, which what that means is it cuts the charger off when you're not using it, so when you're stationary, which saves wear and tear. This has also had the OBD cable, so what that means is we don't have to send the ECU off to Germany, and you can do all of your updating and maps here in the UK itself to save some time. This kit itself is very popular. We've done quite a few of them at Mstyle, and this is the most powerful one that we've done to date. And I can honestly say this car has some firepower. So more power comes more responsibility on the stopping power of this car. So this car's had a 6-pot AP Racing big brake kit installed. What that means is obviously it's more responsive. So when you are putting the power down, if you do need to come to a stop, especially on track quite quickly, these are going to do the job and not overheat as quickly as standard. We all love the sound of a V8, but this car is something special, so I'm going to give you a sound check now of what it really sounds like. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like this car. If you do like anything on this car, please do get in contact. Like I said, we've got loads of superchargers in stock and loads of other things for these cars as well. We'll see you soon. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe as well.